Hi all, I've been getting lots and lots of requests from you on the Crafty Chat with Paper Dynamics, and I think that I need to show you how to do this again. We're going to make the little shirt. This time we're going to add a tie to it, so it's another little take, but it's a little shirt, it's also a little blouse. This is an A6 piece of cardstock, so it's from our Plaids for Her this time. All we're going to do is take this in. We've pinched it to the centre, so we need that centre line to give us a nice fold. Bring both sides into the centre and just give a crease down the edge. Right, then taking your top corner, bring out to as far as it will come at the top edge and just push it down. So you're making like a lapel on this occasion. This one would work like that because it's a double-sided print. You could use this both ways. Right, so there we go. Then take your scissors and just snip in a downward action on both sides. And this is what's going to make your tiny little sleeves. So we're bringing that in now. We'll bring that in. Now folding up from the bottom, you've got to allow just about a centimetre or half a centimetre or so, depending on how big you want your collar, and then press along the bottom, just firmly. Then turn your little shirt over, and you can see on the overhang, you just need to cut just a tiny bit in on both sides. Just like so. Now the next step I'm going to do, just bear with me, is put the tie on. Now it's just like imagining that you're putting a tie on yourself. So take your ribbon around and tuck it round the front. You may have to just wiggle it around a little bit at tie upper point, but all you do, and now I'm left-handed so it might look a little bit funny to you, is do it like you do your kids' school ties. We've all done it and popped it over our head and then loosened it up and put it over their head. Now it's just about tying a normal tie. So through, we've just got to get it through here. And pull it tight. Then it's exactly the same. We've got to wiggle it at the back a little bit and pull tight. So wiggle it round, just be patient and pull our tie nice and tidy. Now ties have got a nice pointed edge, so normally we would fold our ribbon and we would cut upwards, but with these little ties I think we need a nice tie shaped bottom. So we're pinching and trimming so that we get the V going down. So see your ribbons as more than just your ribbons. They're not jambos all the time. Sometimes they're little ties. And then all we do then, we've got our tie tidy. Perhaps my bow's a little bit big. You know, you could put a little bling there. Maybe they're wearing a tie pin. But here we go. We're just popping these corners now into each other to make your little collar. And there's your little shirt done. It's another fantastic little shirt. Use it on lots of your projects. You can pop a little bit of glue under your collar. That'll just hold it down. You could use hot glue on here. But just pop a little bit of glue in there and that will hold it tidy. Yeah, I think I'd like a little bit of bling on there as a tie pin. But some of our men like these sort of things, don't they? They like the pink. You could add a little pocket like we've done in another video. But I hope you've enjoyed the video. Come and find us on Crafty Chat with Paper Dynamics. And all the products I've used are available on our website at www.paperdynamics.com.